Hello everyone, welcome. So this will be a review for NF Audio's new Kazoo flute. They sent it out for review, and I'm just gonna give you guys a brief, look at what you get with this particular flute. It's a kazoo, but it's a flute as well, and you can use it for your leisure. You can blow it and have fun. If you're someone that cares about kazoo and just having something nice to entertain themselves with at home, or you're a professional musician, you need a kazoo, depending on the kind of music you record, then this is what you can get. But let me open it up and show you what you get with this set. So this is the kazoo from NF Audio. Let me just keep it here and show you guys what you get in the box. So this is it. This is it. It's simple. It's a kazoo. You get a couple of things inside that can help you set it up, tune it to your taste. It's just there. It's just there. When you bring it out of the box, let me bring it out of the box so you see it. You see how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. This is the kazoo. You get a strap, and then you get, I think this is a tune or something like that. They send out multiple of this to me, but I think I will, I will find someone to give one to. Basically, this is how it looks like, guys. Let me focus on the product itself. Basically, this is how it looks like. Let me set it up like this. Let me set it up like this. So this is it, guys. This is it. This is the way it looks like. It's a kazoo. There isn't much to talk about. It looks okay. It looks okay enough. It looks good. It looks good. The reality is that there isn't much that you are gonna get with this, other than the fact that you can have fun when you are alone, when you are when you're at home, you're doing nothing, you just want something to entertain yourself with. You can get something like this and you can play it, and you can learn how to blow your flute. You can train yourself on how to blow a kazoo. I am not a professional, musician to know how to use this correctly, but I did force myself to blow it. It's there. It's there. It's a flute, literally. So if you want to learn it, you can get your hands on it and you can test it. But it looks nice. The company was kind enough to send it out for me to feature it on the channel, so to show you guys what you're gonna get with it once you get your hands on it. It's quite simple. It's quite simple. You just get the strap, the little accessories that it comes with out of the box. It's just a nice set. There isn't much to discuss about it. It's just a nice little product that you can use along with other gear that you have in the house. So guys, share your thoughts down below, and you can purchase it through the NF Audio links that I will drop in the description for you guys. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys very much next time.